In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. I'm starting here on my computer, and the first thing I'm doing is opening a browser and going into Google Analytics. Once it loads, I'm signing in with the correct account so I can access the property settings. Now that I'm inside, I'm heading down to the bottom left corner and clicking on admin. I'm selecting that now because this is where all the setup and integration settings are managed in Google Analytics. Once the admin panel opens, I'm clicking on data streams. I'm selecting that now because this is where we can find the web stream that connects our website to GA4 tracking. Now I'm clicking on my website data stream. I'm selecting it now, and I can see all the stream details, including the measurement ID. I'm copying that measurement ID carefully because I'll need it in Google Tag Manager to link everything together. At this point, I'm switching over to Google Tag Manager. I'm opening it in a new tab and signing into the same account so both tools can communicate properly. Now that I'm inside Tag Manager, I'm looking at the left-hand menu and clicking tags. I'm selecting that now because this is where we create and manage all tracking tags. Once I'm in the tag section, I'm clicking new. I'm selecting that now to create a new tag that will send data to Google Analytics. Now I'm entering a tag name. I'm typing it in clearly so I can easily identify it later, especially if I have multiple tracking tags set up in the same container. At this point, I'm clicking tag configuration. I'm selecting that now and choosing Google Tag as the tag type. This is the option that allows Google Tag Manager to send data directly into GA4. Now I'm pasting the measurement ID that I copied earlier from Google Analytics. I'm carefully placing it into the correct field so the connection is properly established between Tag Manager and GA4. Once everything is set, I'm clicking save in the top right corner. I'm selecting that now, and this saves the tag configuration inside Google Tag Manager. After saving, the integration is ready, but it still needs to be published in Tag Manager for the changes to go live on the website. Once published, data will start flowing into Google Analytics through this setup. And that's it. You've now seen how to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager, from copying the measurement ID and creating a tag, to configuring Google Tag and saving everything so your tracking setup works properly.